Hi friends, అందరికీ నమస్తే. Wide range of hybrids with traditional touch for agri universe. Chili, tomato, bende, gourds, melons, other vegetables. Isa Yoda F1, Isa Adi F1, Isa Satyabhama F1, Isa Jaiho, Isa hybrid chili, Isa prime 251 F1, Isa Sonalika F1, Isa green F1, Isa KGF F1, Isa 245 F1, Isa Chandini F1, Isa hybrid chili, Isa 5129, Isa Kohinoor Deluxe, Isa 6631, Isa 3043, Isa 22333, Isa Gold, Isa hybrid chili, Isa Akanda, Isa 354, Isa Salar, Isa Raki, Isa Patisa, Isa 999, Isa New F1, Isa New F1, Isa Kalam, Isa Tarak, Isa Shikar, Isa Indra, Isa hybrid grounds, Isa Chota, Isa Gauri, Isa Rasmika, Isa Jaisri, Isa Arjuna, Isa Shiva, Isa Galaxy 1, Isa Arham, Isa Bhima, Isa Mamita, Isa Balram, Isa Pallavi, Melons, Isa hybrid melons, Isa Amrut, Isa Kalakanda, Isa Shivaji, Isa King, Isa Black Pear, Isa Magic, Isa hybrid melons, Isa Cute, Isa Madhurima, Isa 25, Isa Rayal, Isa Amulya, Isa Chhatrapati, Isa hybrid bende, Isa 6669, Isa Priya 1 F1, Isa 4545, Isa Ansika, Isa 7227, Isa 6369, Isa other vegetables, Arundhati, Shilpa, Roja, Kamal, Isa Sumo, Isa Amaze, Isa Rudy King, Isa Gopika, Isa other vegetables, Isa Vijay, Isa Jai, Isa Baby, Isa Naveen, Isa A283, Isa Arshita, Isa Ria, Isa Parimala.